we're going to go over how to calculate public, private, and national savings in a closed economy with this example here. Um, Say that in 2015, U.S. government spending was 5.2 trillion, tax revenue was 3.5 trillion, GDP was 13.26 trillion, and total consumer spending was 8.5 trillion, all in U.S. dollars. If the economy has no exports or imports, what were the public, private, and national savings in 2015? So to calculate everything, you need to utilize those four different devices given. So government spending, 5.2 trillion. That's G. T for tax revenue, we're told it's $3.5 trillion. Y for GDP, we're told is $13.26 trillion. And C for consumer spending is $8.5 trillion. So let's start with public savings here. If we want to calculate public savings, it's T minus G. This is, well, here with what we have, it would be 3.5 minus 5.2. And I'm being lazy, I'm running through a calculator here, but if we run that through, that would get us negative 1.7, because there could be negative savings there. And private savings is calculated. So yeah, we're done with the public. We're moving on to private. So private savings can be calculated by Y for the GDP minus C for consumer spending, and then minus T for tax revenue. Oh, excuse that. And then that would end up being 13.26 minus 8.5 minus 3.5. So that will get us. Hang on. Excuse me for a moment. Minus 8.5 minus 3.5. That gets us 1.26. Those are our private savings. Well, I forgot to totally put down the public savings. The public savings would be negative 1.7, which I just forgot to put equals. So that's our public and private savings there. We'll highlight these here. Now to calculate national savings, you just combine public and private savings. So in this case, it would be negative 1.7 plus 1.26. So that gets us negative 0.44 trillion dollars. And that's how you calculate public, private, and national savings in a closed economy.